Hey guys, welcome back to my channel All in One Life. Today I have come with a brand new unboxing which is a very good device as you can see, and also a good product for everyone, not only for one age category but yes, for many of the age categories. We know in this actually COVID-19 pandemic we are not going outside and there is a huge impact on our health. With this product, you can not only monitor your activity but also you can keep a track of your health. So, here we come with the unboxing of MI Smart Band 5, which is also known as India's number one wearable band, which is a very good device as you can say. I am unboxing this and giving you all the details. We get to see a lot of things in this box. First, in the back of the side, the price is written 3000, but you get at the link given below at only 24 or 2500 rupees. You get a charging cable, wristband, user manual, and a fitness tracker. So this is a fresh product, fresh manufactured product, and the key features are shown, which I am going to discuss in this video. So let's begin. Subscribe to All in One Life channel and click the bell icon to see our latest technology videos as soon as we upload. Let's break the seal. So as soon as we unbox this, we get a fitness band which is kept at the front, and below the box we get, here this side is nothing, but here we get a charging cable, and this side we get manual, Xiaomi manual, which is too long, and nothing else. So let's see what is this accessories charging cable. How is this? Oh wow, actually it's a magnetic charger. You can see a MI branding with two magnetic pins over here. So let's keep this aside and let's come to the fitness band. So here comes our brand new fitness band, and it is, first impression if I would tell, it's very much like sturdy, and its build qualities, straps are too good, like it is not going to break at all. And let's talk about this, what features it offers. So here we start this. First of all, it says for language, so I select English. So it asks for pair first. So what is actually this pair first? Why is it asking for pair first? Actually, there is a mobile application named MI Fit app. We have to pair with that our mobile so that it can work properly and show maximum of the results on our mobile, so that it's a bigger screen and you can monitor quite good things on your smartphone. So let's say the app. So this is the app. Let's install it. It's of 80 MB, not much. Let's open this app. It's asking for a account. Okay, let's sign in. Let's add device. Let's add the band. It's showing after you pair this device, the following info will be corrected and processed. I agree. To ensure the normal use of this device pairing function, this and this, got it. I allow it. I allow all the time. It's asking Bluetooth is off, so turn it on. Allow. It's asking keep the band close to your phone. Yes, I'm keeping it. Yes. So it says compare with phone. Yeah. Paired successfully. So it has paired successfully, and now it will be restoring band settings and all. So this was the easy setup which we can do easily. And let's now talk about the main features for which you all are waiting. I would also like you to see that the main functions are also shown on the app as soon as we pair it. This app is also very user friendly because as you can see it has many more features. You have so many features, and like it's very simple to use. Anyone can use this. First, let me show you how it charges. So here is the magnetic dock port with the MI branding, and here is the magnetic pins. So we have to just bring it close and automatically sticks in and starts charging. As you can see, it has already started charging. The main thing is it has battery backup up to 14 days, which is a very good point, and it charges fully near about 2 hours, and it has a 125 mAh battery, which is, I told you, it's very long lasting. It has also got a very bright display, 450 nits brightness, which is very bright at outside, also outdoors also it's very bright in the sunlight. And you also get a very smooth like display. The display is fully touch screen and you don't face any issue with it. We can see that you can see your status, personal PAI, heart rate, notifications, stress level, breathing level, events, and much more. It also has 11 workout modes, as you can see: outdoor running, treadmill, and rowing machine, yoga, and many more things. You actually also get a very nice feature, which is the camera shutter button. As you see, I just click the shutter and the photo gets clicked. It's a nice feature if you are using a selfie mode, because in selfie mode the grip of the phone is not too nice, and you can easily click photos by using your MI band. It not only contains this, but also contains 24/7 heart rate monitor and sleep monitoring. As I told, it also has Bluetooth connectivity 5.0, which makes it too good. And not only this, it has more than 100 watch faces, like this one. This watch face, as you can see, I can just tap on it and change this from my phone. So it has more than 100 watch faces, and also it has 5 ATM water resistance. That is helpful when you use the swimming feature. While you are swimming, you can just monitor your activity. And at this price point, this was all about this band. Now the main question comes is, is it essential to buy this? If you take my opinion, it's essential because it is one of the best bands, and you can just see your PAI, which is personal activity intelligence. With the help of this, you can wear it 24 hours and 14 days like anything, and just charge for 2 hours. So I would recommend you to buy this product because it will really help you to maintain your health and activity you do in a whole day. So for today we ended up here. Hope you liked our unboxing. You can buy the product from the link in the description. Make sure you like the video and subscribe the channel if you haven't done. Thanks for watching.